timeline in description. In a few days I'll be driving to Brooklyn, picking up a couple of friends, and we'll be going to one of my job's annual party. An interesting story. I went to a party like that 2 years ago, and that's when I just began doing videography. And at that time I used Sony a6000 with a kit lens. That's how Sony a6000 with a kit lens looks like, so you can get an idea of the size. This time around, Sony a7iii with the 24mm 1.4 lens. Very capable setup for low light conditions. To make things more difficult for that first time with the a6000, I shot at 60 frames, which means high shutter speed. That does not help that camera and lens combination. This time around, however, I recorded at 60 and 24 frames, meaning that when I needed that low light capability, I switched to 24 frames, low shutter speed obviously. But when I needed a slow motion, and you'll see it in the video, I switched to 60 when there was enough light or I just needed the slow motion. In post-processing, you just slow it down to 40%, that's 60 frame footage, and it's gonna be nice and smooth. I hope you enjoyed the footage, maybe learned something new. I definitely did. Watching that footage from 2 years ago on that a6000 APS-C sensor, what a difference. Full frame, 24 frames, it definitely has a much better picture. A really good combination for low light scenario like this. What do you think? Do you see any differences? Let me know, type it in. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.